Orisha Aganjú, the Orissa of volcanoes, strength and unyielding transformation. Aganjú, the Orisha of volcanoes, the Earth's core and unrelenting force, represents raw power, resilience, and profound transformation. He embodies the deep, fiery strength of the Earth, symbolizing the capacity to overcome monumental challenges. Aganjú is also associated with leadership, navigation, and the ability to endure intense pressure to bring about renewal. Orisha Aganjú, the force of volcanic fire, strength, endurance, and transformation, embodies the raw power of nature and human resilience. He is the Orisha of the untamed wilderness, the burning sun, the fiery core of the earth, and the crossing of great distances. Whether physical, emotional, or spiritual, Aganjú is known as a mighty warrior, a ruler of ancient empires, and a bridge between civilization and the primal forces of the world. His presence in the 16 Odu Meji reveals his role as the Orisha of courage, inner power, and perseverance. Teaching that great challenges must be faced with determination and wisdom, he reveals themes of resilience, grounding, and the transformative power of nature. In Eji Agba, Aganjú manifests as the foundation of kingship, representing strength, leadership, and the ability to govern wisely. He teaches that power must be tempered with responsibility, and that true leaders must have the endurance to carry their people forward. In Oyeku Meji, he governs the transformative power of fire, showing that destruction is sometimes necessary for renewal. Here, he teaches that clinging to the past prevents growth, and that one must be willing to endure change to evolve. Iwari Meji highlights his role as the master of endurance, revealing that long journeys, whether in life or in spirit, require patience and fortitude. He teaches that those who persevere through hardships will find victory in the end. In Odi Meji, Aganjú governs the hidden depths of strength, showing that true power is not always visible, but emerges when most needed. He teaches that endurance and resilience are the foundation of all success. Irison Meji reveals his connection to sacred paths and uncharted territories, showing that he protects travelers, pioneers, and those who dare to go beyond familiar boundaries. Here, he reminds us that those who fear the unknown will never discover new possibilities. Onran Meji portrays him as the force that pushes individuals toward self-discovery, ensuring that those who resist their destiny will eventually be forced to confront it. He warns that avoiding challenges only delays inevitable growth. In Obara Meji, Aganjú appears as the bringer of wealth and stability through effort and labor, ensuring that hard work leads to lasting rewards. He teaches that nothing of value comes easily, and that perseverance is the true key to prosperity. Okanran Meji presents him as the unstoppable force of movement, revealing that stagnation is the enemy of progress. He teaches that those who refuse to change will be left behind. Ogunda Meji highlights his warrior nature, showing that strength is necessary not only for battle, but for overcoming personal obstacles. He teaches that bravery is not the absence of fear, but the ability to act despite it. In Osa Meji, he governs divine revelations through struggle, showing that true wisdom comes from overcoming difficulties. He teaches that those who embrace hardship as a teacher will emerge wiser and more powerful. Ika Meji emphasizes his role as the healer through fire, revealing that destruction often leads to purification and renewal. He teaches that old wounds must be burned away for new growth to begin. Oturupan Meji portrays him as the guardian of great transitions, ensuring that those who face major life changes are protected and guided. He teaches that every challenge is an opportunity for transformation. In Otura Meji, Aganjú governs the balance between power and responsibility, reminding us that strength must be wielded wisely. He teaches that true power is knowing when to act and when to wait. Irate Meji reveals him as the protector of ancient wisdom, ensuring that traditions and history are preserved. Oze Meji connects him to the fire of purification, showing that spiritual and physical renewal often require burning away what no longer serves us. Finally, in Ofun Meji, Aganjú represents the ultimate mastery of endurance, where strength, patience, and wisdom merge into divine power. He teaches that those who push forward despite obstacles, who embrace transformation as a natural part of life, and who stand firm in their truth will rise as unshakable warriors of destiny. Across all 16 Odu Meji, Aganju teaches that strength is not just physical, it is mental, emotional, and spiritual. His lesson is clear. Those who face their fears, who endure life's trials with courage, and who embrace change with wisdom will find the power to break through any barrier and achieve greatness. Odu Ogbe Meji, the catalyst for growth. In Odu Ogbe Meji, Aganju represents the force that propels individuals toward growth and new opportunities. Myths recount Aganju clearing a blocked path for a group of travelers, symbolizing the removal of obstacles to progress. This Odu teaches the Quorant to embrace challenges as opportunities for transformation. Odu Oyeku Meji, the keeper of cycles. In Odu Oyeku Meji, Aganju governs the cycles of destruction and renewal that sustain life. Myths describe volcanic eruptions creating fertile soil for new growth, illustrating that endings are necessary for beginnings. This Odu emphasizes resilience in the face of unavoidable change. Odu Iwari Meji, the illuminator of inner strength. In Odu Iwari Meji, Aganju reveals the strength within the Quorant, encouraging them to confront their fears and limitations. Myths tell of Aganju guiding a warrior to discover their true potential through trials. This Odu advises the Quorant to trust in their inner power. Odu Odi Meji, the stabilizer of foundations. In Odu Odi Meji, Aganju provides stability and grounding, ensuring that foundations are strong enough to endure adversity. Myths recount Aganju supporting a crumbling village, reinforcing their structures to withstand future challenges. This Odu highlights the importance of solid preparation and perseverance. Odu Irasan Meji, the protector of sacred spaces. In Odu Irasan Meji, Aganju safeguards sacred spaces and ensures they remain untouched by harmful forces. Myths tell of Aganju defending a mountain used for spiritual rituals, symbolizing his protective nature. This Odu emphasizes the need to honor and preserve sacred traditions. Odu Oonran Meji, the sustainer of community strength. In Odu Oonran Meji, Aganju fosters communal strength and resilience. Myths recount his role in uniting a fragmented community to rebuild after a disaster. This Odu teaches that collaboration and collective effort are key to overcoming challenges. Odu Obara Meji, strength through transformation. In Odu Obara Meji, Aganju embodies the transformative power of adversity. Myths describe how Aganju's volcanic energy reshaped the land, creating new opportunities for growth. This Odu encourages the Quorant to embrace transformation as a path to greater strength and potential. Odu Okonran Meji, the arbiter of justice. In Odu Okonran Meji, Aganju enforces justice with unyielding strength. Myths recount his intervention in a community where corruption disrupted harmony, restoring balance through decisive action. This Odu highlights the importance of fairness and integrity in leadership. Odu Ogunda Meji, the clearer of pathways. In Odu Ogunda Meji, Aganju works with Ogun to clear paths and open opportunities. Myths tell of Aganju removing a massive boulder that blocked access to vital resources. This Odu advises the Quorant to face obstacles with determination and seek divine support. Odu Osa Meji, the corrector of injustices. In Odu Osa Meji, Aganju acts as a force of correction, addressing societal imbalances and injustices. Myths describe his eruption as a response to dishonesty and greed, restoring balance through his unyielding energy. This Odu emphasizes accountability and ethical action. Odu Ika Meji, revealer of hidden potential. In Odu Ika Meji, Aganju uncovers the Quorant's hidden potential and untapped resources. Myths tell of Aganju revealing a hidden reservoir of energy beneath a dormant volcano, symbolizing latent strength. This Odu encourages the Quorant to explore their depths for greater self-discovery. Odu Oturupan Meji, the reconciler of conflicts. In Odu Oturupan Meji, Aganju mediates disputes by demonstrating the necessity of compromise and mutual understanding. Myths describe him calming the tension between two rival leaders, ensuring peace. This Odu teaches the value of balance and collaboration. Odu Otura Meji, the Guide to New Possibilities. In Odu Otura Meji, Aganju inspires the Quorant to embrace new possibilities through courage and innovation. Myths recount his guidance to explorers seeking fertile land, leading them to prosperity. This Odu emphasizes the rewards of boldness and visionary thinking. Odu Ayerte Meji, advocate for legacy preservation. In Odu Ayerte Meji, Aganju emphasizes preserving one's legacy through resilience and foresight. Myths tell of Aganju guiding a family to fortify their land against natural disasters, ensuring its longevity. This Odu teaches the importance of planning for future generations. Odu Oze Meji, the harmonizer of power. In Odu Oze Meji, Aganju harmonizes raw power with divine purpose, ensuring that his energy is channeled constructively. Myths recount rituals performed to appease Aganju, aligning his strength with communal prosperity. This Odu highlights the importance of aligning personal power with higher goals. Odu Ofun Meji, the eternal force of transformation. In Odu Ofun Meji, Aganju embodies the eternal force of transformation and renewal. Myths describe his volcano as a perpetual source of life, shaping the Earth's surface over time. This Odu encourages the Quorant to trust in the transformative power of divine energy.